The National Youth Conclave in one word.
Energetic.
We've got talent.
Youthful.
Adventure.
Well organized.
Awesome.
Great event.
Wow.
Fantastic.
Awesome.
Proud to be the biggest chapter here.
DJ Chedas.
बहुत hard भाई.
Fantabulous. Fantastic.
Loaded.
NWC.
Powerful.
What's up guys, this is Nihal and this is
Priyank Jain.
and we're at JITO right now. It's a Jain International Trade Organization, the world's biggest organization for all Jain.
So today in this video, we're going to take you through this event called the National Youth Conclave.
It's all about the youth power and we're all young people all ready to change the world, and everybody's here with bright ideas. They're entrepreneurs, they're doing businesses, and we're all going to collaborate, and there's just so much to learn, like it's incredible.
Tennis के one very odd thing about him, ये इतना मोबाइल देखते हैं ना, his right hand is more stronger than his left hand.
So right now we're sitting at the Shark Tank event and it's going to start in a few minutes.
And we all love Shark Tank. I've personally grown up watching it a lot, and we've seen the judges completely destroy people, and some people who've just made it like completely.
Exactly.
And we're about to see the JITO version of it.
So it's actually literally going to be like 4 judges and who are going to invest up to 1 crore in the startups that they like and love. So let's see how it goes though.
Yeah, I think it's an amazing event right now. I think the youth of JITO have a serious opportunity in elevating themselves, taking them to new levels. I think they're all game changers. Once they take ownership, once they take responsibility, and we develop the trust, I would rather trust the youth to get things done and change and really make it happen. As youth, you are responsible for your own destiny. Take charge of your life, make it happen.
Best way is to inculcate the habits for investing. And doesn't matter how much money you invest, just put in even if it's 100 rupees per month, you must be asset.
देखिए जब भी नेशनल यूथ कॉन्क्लेव के बारे में जब भी बात चली तो और पुणे का यूथ वैसे भी बहुत अग्रेसिव है, बहुत अच्छा कार्य करता है, लेकिन ये प्लेटफॉर्म हमें मिलना चाहिए, इसके लिए हमने बहुत कोशिश की और थैंक्स टू चेन्नई, क्योंकि ये जो सोच आई वो चेन्नई की वजह से आई। ये मैं 100% बोलता हूँ, जो नियोमी हो गए चेन्नई, और आने के बाद जब बच्चों ने बात की कि भाई नियोमी अवेजम था और अगर जो JITO पुणे को वापस एक यूथ को लाना है तो नेशनल यूथ कॉन्क्लेव हमें मिलना ही चाहिए।
I wanted to know from you, एक यूथ ऐसे इवेंट पे आकर इस इवेंट का सबसे ज़्यादा फायदा कैसे उठा सकता है?
We are creating several opportunities for the youth in one program. These continuous programs as well as very knowledgeable persons like Motilal Oswal and Bimal Shah from Kenya, the Ambani of Kenya. All these people coming and giving the knowledge, their first-hand knowledge to the youth.
जब ये नेशनल प्रोग्राम होता है जहाँ पर ऑल ओवर इंडिया से अलग अलग चैप्टर से लोग आते हैं तो आपका इंटरेक्शन बढ़ता है, नेटवर्किंग बढ़ता है, एंड नेटवर्किंग इज नेटवर्थ.
One big takeaway I think will be the network, but the big learning that people have to go back is not only what we saw the big senior guys talking, is to be yourself.
It's a great pleasure to be here. I've been attending all the seminars and workshops and all the speakers. It's a great opportunity, and India is going to be a great economy in the coming 20 years. Please break all the barriers, come out of your comfort zone and just be there, pursue your passion and get behind it.
Yo guys, so it's day 3 and all we've seen till now is absolute youth power. The talent here is incredible, from entrepreneurs to business coaches. It's been insane. How's it been for you?
Bro, entrepreneurs, businesses, singers, dancers, sand artists, plus stand-up comedians like Biswa. It was crazy.
Absolutely amazing.
Today is day 3 and today we're going to know from people what they thought about this 3-day event in one word.
In one word.
It was a great experience being here, and probably I met a lot of new people over here. So that was good. Kadak.
Spectacular.
What to describe the entire experience?
It was very great. It was fun-loving. I had a lot of networking over here. I met you as Nihal. Yeah. We exchanged our ideas, our cultures, and yeah, the rest was good. Everything was good.
दोनों को एक दूसरे का लैंग्वेज नहीं आता था। एक जन ग्रीक बोल रहा है, दूसरा पंजाबी बोल रहा है। ये दोनों कन्वर्सेशन कैसा कर पा रहे हैं? एक जन बोला अल्फा बीटा लैम्डा गामा कप्पा सोक्रेटिस, हाइड्रोफिलिया एनेंशियोमर हाइड्रोफोबिक। दूसरा बोला जिन्हें मेरा दिल लुटी है।
Can you tell us something about NYC?
We have people coming from almost 52 cities, 52 different cities of the country. 4 companies gave 1,400 crore of requirements to the youth, and it was a jam-packed hall. Network is net worth.
And he's got a company called Superstar. They're the official tech and media digital platform partners of JITO Youth Conclave.
Be involved in all the events happening around you, all the networking events as well as the JBN meetings. So when you are involved in all those, your business, your growth, your personal development can happen at a rapid pace.
Nothing is impossible. Today they are talking, tomorrow it is your turn. It's all up to you how we grow exponentially in this digital VUCA world. That's it.
Perfect. Thank you so much.
I feel the major achievement of this thing is that it's for the youth, done by the youth,
For the youth.
and everything by the youth.
Well, thank you so much. The future of India is bright, and after seeing that very energetic and the dynamic youth who have gathered here on such a short notice, the only way we can grow is through future.
Alright guys, so it's been a wrap. It's been 3 days of absolute insaneness, so much energy, so much youthfulness, so much ideas.
What is your one biggest takeaway?
I think my biggest takeaway from this is that, as a community, as all the young Jains in the world having such, influential context, such a big family around us, I think there's just so much to grasp. There's just so much potential here that all of us can actually, if we all just, I think what I really learned from this is to basically seek discomfort, basically step out of your comfort zone, meet new people.
Like it's not very easy to step up and network and talk to different people. But when you're around such influential people, you need to come out of your shell and speak to other people. And that's how we met. Like we met on the second day, and then we were sitting together. And Vimal Shah, he was on the stage. He said, "Ki you have the most powerful resource in your hand, and that is your mobile phone."
We basically looked at each other and we're like, you know what? Let's just grab our phone. Let's grab what we have and let's just start filming.
Organizing events on such a large scale, all by the youth. It's crazy.
Like it's such a small world out there, right? So like somebody from Bangalore meeting somebody from Mumbai, from Chennai,
collaboration over competition.
Basically, we are a world with 1 billion people. Imagine if 1 billion people do things together. That's 1 billion opportunities out there.